Hey, how's it going guys, ОБНОВЛЕННИЕ here, and today I'm going to be showing you the best scripts for the new update in Anime Fighting Simulator X. And these scripts have the fastest yen, chikara, and power farms. You can also automatically collect chests and fruits, and they even have a working quest farm that can level you up insanely fast. So all the links for these scripts are going to be in the description, but if you want to use them, you're going to first need a working executor. So I definitely recommend you guys use Vega X for this. It's completely free with no keys, and you can also run all these scripts straight from the script hub, which is this button right here. And later in this video, I'm going to be showing you all 4 of these scripts. So we have this script called Sky Hub, this one called Project Nexus, this one called Weenie Hub, and then Blocks Hub on the bottom right. But out of all these scripts, my favorite one would have to be Blocks Hub. This one has no keys and it has everything you could possibly need. So they have a unique training mode, which is going to automatically teleport you to the spots that you need to be in to train. There's an auto upgrade, an auto chest farm, and fruit farm. There's an auto skills, there's mob farms, quest farms, and so much more. But starting over here on the training with suitable area, you might not be able to tell because it doesn't really show the animation. But if you look at my stats over here, it's going up really fast and I'm not even touching my keyboard, so you can just leave this on overnight and whenever you die, it's going to respawn you. Here's the chest and fruit farms. I'm going to do the all chest farm. As you can see, it's going to teleport us around the map. And this is a crazy fast way of getting yen. As you can see, every time we do this, we're getting about 1,000, and you can also get chikara from this, which is pretty fun as well. Every 10 seconds, it's going to teleport you over here. And boom, there we go, another 1k. There's also a fruit farm, which is going to automatically find any fruit in the game. I don't really need to do that because I already have the ice fruit, as you can see. But yeah, of course, they also have a ton of other stuff on these other tabs. So transform, you can automatically transform into any of these things right here, which is there's also the auto skills, which is useful for the mob farm, which is right below it. So for example, I want to do what skills do I have on my stand? I could use the Z and X. So I'm going to click Z and X, activate skills. And now if I farm mobs, I'm going to do a thug, just as an example right here. And then just simply click on auto farm. And as you can see right now, I'm just completely AFK. It's going to teleport around every time a mob dies. It'll teleport to a new one. There we go. So yeah, if you're trying to get a lot of yen, this plus the quest farm is the fastest method. And in my last video, the one I showcased had no quest farm on it, so you kind of just had to like sit there and wait, and then whenever you would finish the quest, it would give you some stuff. But with this new one, you can click on this right here, auto farm quest, and all you want to do is come over here and find what your quest NPC is called. So this guy's name is Inferno, so I think that's just called the bandit quest, or like the thug quest. So let's try to find it here. I'm not sure exactly where it would be. Yeah, anyways, we could just do this one right here called Nomu quest. I'm going to click on this, boom, and now we should automatically claim it. Yep, there it is. So now we can click on the mob farm, select the mob to be Nomu, and then click on this right here, boom, kill or strength, and now I can just go AFK, and as you can see, it's farming that up for me. And I think it's also going to be getting my stand higher leveled as well. So it's kind of like a built-in stand mastery farm if you equip that right there. As you can see, we're getting some levels over here. I think we were just at level 9, now we're at level 11. As you can see, they have every single quest in the game, so Bandit Quest 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, all the way up to the Hero Killer Quest, which is the one that I think just came out in the last update. You have this one right here called Select Quest NPC. You could just teleport here, and it's going to teleport you to whichever one you want to go to. So yeah, pretty cool feature here. Of course, this is just going to be like for getting around the map faster. So you could just like teleport to this guy, teleport to a place in the map, teleport to a training area. And as you can see, if I was to open up the map here, you should be able to see how far away these things are. Like if I'm just moving, it would take me about like 2 or 3 minutes to cross the map. But then if I just click that right there, I can just instantly teleport to wherever I want to go to. You have the summon tab where you can automatically summon champions from the capsule. I'm not going to waste my chikara on that, but that's what you could do right there. There's a miscellaneous tab with just some like character stuff like infinite stamina, so I could dash infinitely. Pretty fun feature. So I'm actually not even using a walk speed boost right now, it's just the infinite stamina. There's a no clip so you could walk through walls, and I think by default one of these scripts is making it so I can see through walls, which is kind of cool. I don't know if that's just like a default thing. Yeah, as you can see, we have a no clip now. Not sure why it's not working here. You have anti-AFK so you don't get kicked from the game after you're being AFK for a bit. Here's what the walk speed looks like. You could just zoom around the map pretty fast. There's a tournament tab so you can teleport to a safe zone and then teleport back to the match, and also remove the stuff that can kill you from the game. Here's the webhook so you can send stuff to your Discord server. And moving on out of Weenie Hub, as you can see, they have a ton of new stuff since the last time I showcased. So every single training area, every auto upgrade, auto spin, which I'm actually not sure what this is for. I think that might be the egg right here, the champion thing. You have the boss farm, the auto grab fruit, auto chest. This auto chest has no settings on it, but it's still pretty good. As you can see, open up a rare chest, get 2,000 yen. You have a TP tab, a group tab, and a setting tab. And the main tab is where pretty much everything is. So you have like your auto farms here, you have the quest farm here. Yeah, overall, if I'm going to be completely honest, this one's not even as good as Blocks Hub, and Blocks Hub has no keys on it, so it's definitely really good. And I did actually show you guys this auto farm at the beginning of the video, I'm pretty sure, with the Yeti farm, so that's kind of what it looked like. And then the second to last GUI is called Sky Hub, as you can see in the top right corner. This one has keys on it, but it's also pretty good. As you can see, they have an auto farm, they have a boss farm, they have as you can see, they have an auto farm, they have a boss farm, they have an auto collect chest. You can also do a safe mode, which is going to be when you're in a public server. Let's see what this looks like. Let's do all of them. There we go. Auto farm chests. Okay, this is actually a pretty cool mode. As you guys can see here in a couple seconds, it teleports you inside of the mountain to open up the chest so nobody can see you doing it. This is going to give you around a 0% chance of getting banned, because the only way someone would be able to report you is if they were literally hacking themselves. Which is only if they could see you through the mountain, which is never going to happen. As you can see, we're underneath the map. Pretty cool mode right there. What the heck just happened? Okay, when I just disabled it there, it kind of flung me across the map. Yeah, pretty cool features anyway. You have an auto skill, you have settings for your skills, so I think you can like do like this holding down type of thing. That's definitely pretty cool, because some of these abilities that you have, for example, I think the flying slash might have it. Let's test this out right here. Yeah, so you can kind of like hold this in the air, as you can see, so it's like a time limit, and then you can like let it go. So you can just like select that right here. This is also an auto spam kill. There's a no visuals, I'm not sure what that is. Camera change to MUN. Some of these things are kind of phrased a little bit weird, but I guess they still do something. I'm not sure exactly what that is. This is a miscellaneous tab. I'm not sure why it says Apple settings under it, but as you can see, they have like stats in here. They have an auto stat. They have settings for this. Random stand, Chikara farm, and then probably the best fruit farm is going to be on this script, because as you can see, they have a auto built-in server hopper, so you're going to be server hopping to find fruits, and it's going to stop it when you find it. Here's what the teleport looks like. You can teleport to different areas or NPCs, so the Boom Quest, the Zoru, Might, Naga, Luffy, and then just some like basic server settings. And the final GUI I'm going to be showing you guys in this video is called Project Nexus. This is what it looks like. Let me move this one out of the way really quick. This is actually a pretty simple GUI. If I was going to be using a script and I didn't really know like any of the stuff, I just wanted to kind of auto farm, I'd probably use this script. As you guys can see right here, they have an auto farm, a simple one with a quest farm, boss farm. You could do a auto upgrade, crates, which are chests. The miscellaneous tab has auto fruit. So yeah, pretty cool. You could also teleport anywhere you want to go to. It's a really intuitive script with only 2 menus, so pretty cool features. But yeah, so big credits to whoever made this script. I think you have to join their Discord server to even get the script. Credits to Muimiya for making this script, to Skylowland for making this one, and then credits to One Arm Shinobi for making this script. You could join their Discord server right here. Give big credits to the people who made this script, because they still have not added keys to it, and it's still the best script for this game. So yeah, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you can. And as always, peace.